Hello beautiful people, and welcome to our very small garden. So my son and I recently discovered our new hobby. So we'll be growing vegetables, we'll be growing strawberries and all the other greens, all the other small greens that you can think of. And we hope to see you in the next episode, as we also hope to grow our garden bigger so that we can grow more vegetables for our family. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and enjoy the rest of the video. So first things first, let's start by preparing the land. And by the way, our garden is going to be a no-dig garden. We are going to be using small-sized planters, pots, and raised garden beds. Atiskuita timber pass. Plus Tumadanzi guys, the young man is enjoying himself. So this is one of the planters or planting troughs that you'll be seeing in our garden. And all the grass cuttings that we have removed are going to be used either for composting or for mulching purposes. Let's catch up in the next episode as we get the beds ready for planting. Bye.